On December 11, COVID-19 vaccines have been approved by the FDA, which begins distribution. However, there is still uncertainty and hesitance from the public to get the vaccine. With a more detailed explanation of how the vaccine works and the risks involved, individuals can make wise decisions without feeling afraid. The immune system. Your immune system is composed of macrophages, B cells, and T cells. Macrophages are a type of white blood cells that usually attack any sort of unknown material in the body. It is usually found near infection sites. B cells are mostly responsible for creating antibodies that mark unknown material that enter the body and may be harmful. T cells then directly kill the marked foreign invader. They also create chemicals to multiply and send signals to the rest of the immune system to attack the invader. mRNA-1273, a vaccine used on adults with dosages 28 days apart. This vaccine has a special mRNA, which when placed in your body will create a harmless protein that is unique to the COVID-19 virus. The immune system reacts to this with B cells marking the foreign invader with antibodies, and the T cells attacking it, multiplying and storing it in its memory so that it knows how to quickly recognize it the next time the body encounters this protein. There is a greater uncertainty due to the lack of information on the other vaccine types in regards to dosages. However, if an mRNA vaccine is administered within 2 weeks of another type of vaccine, such as the protein antigen and vector vaccine, doses do not need to be repeated for either vaccine. The protein antigen. This vaccine already contains the protein that is unique to the virus, and so the immune system responds to this similarly. The B cells mark the protein with antibodies and the T cells attack, multiply, and memorize it. This vaccine does not contain the actual virus. The vector vaccine. This vaccine contains a weakened version of the virus, modified to be harmless when it enters the body. This vector virus is exposed to the immune system and is attacked by the B and T cells, marking with the antibody and memorizing the intruder to prepare for a second encounter. Data has shown that the vaccine starts working soon after the first dose and has an efficacy rate of 95% 7 days after the second dose. Some side effects may include fever, chills, tiredness, headache, pain, and swelling. The risks of the COVID-19 vaccines are, however, very low, and the benefits of gaining protection from the deadlier virus outweighs the very small potential side effects. Long-term effects last for a maximum of 30 to 45 days, according to Fauci. The sample size is also extremely large, from 30 to 40,000 people who tested. Those who got the side effects are extremely rare and uncommon within the sample size. Since there are limited supplies, vaccines are distributed to people with high-risk contact first. In the meantime, while most people are waiting to get the vaccine, it is advised to continue practicing public safety precautions, such as washing your hands, sanitizing your surroundings, avoiding to touch your face, wearing a mask, staying 6 feet apart from people outside of your quarantine circle, and avoid going to indoor public places.